Yeah, da 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 da. Hey, whoa, 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 yeah, hey, no, hey, yeah. I'm bored, 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 yeah, I'm bored, yeah, I'm bored, I'm bored, I'm bored, yeah.
Look at my dude, bro. Look at my dude. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What you doing?
Look how little that. Oh, damn, son. Look. Oh.
Hey, yo, relax. I'm left-handed. Spoon game.
Hey, clean that. No. Not in your house. Air dry.
Air dry.
Yo.
Clean, relax.
Yo.
Relax.
You know what 789?
Kobe.
You know what 789?
Because 8.
Nah, bro. It's because he got too tired of that spoon, bro. Of like that going inside, dude.
What the f?
I don't know, man. You got tired of your whack ass spoon. Put that inside. Put that inside the fridge, man. That's gonna melt. Camera skills on fleek. Oh my god. Oh shit.
I'm having deja vu.
For real? Oh my god, look at that.
The prophecy is
Are you still recording?
Yeah. I thought about like, because I've been watching your vlogs and you know, I get kind of bored, so like.
Are you recording on Snapchat or?
Nah, video. I had to take the matters in my
Are you
own
really?
hand,
Let me
bro.
see. Dude,
I had to take
turn it.
Oops.
Put it in portrait.
Do I exit out of this one then?
It's too late. Got my phone back.
Nah. I told you, bro. I'm a loyal subscriber, bro. I need more content or I'm gonna unsubscribe. Bro, that's on everything.
Yo, I've been posting consistently though. What do you mean?
I need twice a week.
Hey, yo, we start school in 4 weeks, y'all.
No, you don't.
Swear. We start the 13th of August.
Bro, you're promoting negative
Did I
stuff.
promote it?
Negative vibes.
Did I say you should go kill it?
I can't say. There it goes again.
That's God. He's telling y'all.
Is he over there?
Dude, I wasn't recording the whole time.
Are you serious?
Nah, I'm messing. Start listening to Drake. Play Drake right now and get in your feelings.
So cry if you need to, but I can't stay to watch you. That's the wrong thing to do. Touch if you need to, but I can't.
That's because, baby, you my
Everything, you all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on it.
Cause you held me down.
What's up, y'all? I work at Wendy's.
Oh, he's a Wendy's plug, bro.
Wendy's plug.
Yeah.
That view. That
He's zooming in.
that lakeside view, you feel me? Is nice.
We moving up.
We're moving up here, man.
They put the camera on me. They don't live here. They don't live here.
Yo, shut up, man.
Ir a la casa. Ahora.
Num 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 num. Too bad I'm gonna take it. You thought I forgot about it.
I'm gonna be real with you. It's not the best ice cream I tasted. However,
You just a mama?
nah.
Wrong selection.
I'm grateful. She got me some Haagen-Dazs. No, but
Alright, let me explain it.
yeah, clear his throat.
My mom got
mother.
him this.
Where were you, Dad?
She got us. She got me and my homie this.
Eddie's, bro. Shout out to Eddie.
Hey, we can promote it.
Shouts out to Eddie.
Look at the difference.
That's like Brandon's.
I'm a tiny
it's
boy.
It's like Brandon's, you know, pee-pee. That's mine.
Don't know college?
Let's go.
Pee-pee. Haagen-Dazs, are you watching?
Slip.
I don't live here. Put the camera on me. I sat on me.
That focus.
I don't live here, so.
Whoa. That's 100,000 right there, guys. You saw that? How you know?
Somehow Haagen-Dazs he flipped over this chair. Dang. Thank God I don't live here because my mom will beat my ass. My mom will beat my ass because that refrigerator is open.
So now we're going to college, fellas.
Oh, snap, my mom coming. My ass better get whooped.
I'll see y'all out.
You almost finessed me with the ice cream, son.
He bringing it with him.
How many of these strikes again? I chew. I blessed you. Oh, wait. Ian in the clutch?
Ian in the clutch?
My mom's calling me.
I'm gonna play bro card, you guys.
What? What?
Is he 2 doors down from your house?
Yeah.
I'm blessing you.
You blessing me? Hey. You see, Eddie? Start the car, Eddie.
You better have new content.
I'm about to feed these kids some, I don't know, ice cream.
What, are you doing a vlog or something? Let me look at that.
Y'all want ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, stay there. Right? Word. Y'all not getting ice cream. Okay, take the ice cream. He beckoned me for some.
See, I'm gonna need to know how to get home now, so.
Stupid ass.
Kind of lost.
Hey, for real?
Lost in the sauce, man.
I gotta hurry up and clean that kitchen before I get my ass beat.
Oh my god, is that a dead bird?
Yo! He's dead. This pigeon was in his patio. Yo, I'm gonna put it on his door.
Stop, don't touch it. Stop it.
Yo, you want more content? Gang.
Okay, y'all, that is the vlog. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe, thumbs it up, share it, and sorry if it's like trash. It's not my fault. It's his fault. I'll see y'all next week. Peace.
We just poppin' thrills, we kill this, we kill shit, we get it, we die for it,